Hi guys, welcome to our course on how to be productive while working from home. We have been working from home successfully for over 9 years. We are a married couple. We have a little girl who's 2 years old. So we know the challenges that are presented when you work from home. Whether you're running your own business, whether you're building your own brand, whether you're working remotely for another company, there are lots of different challenges that we experience while working from home. And we've got lots of tips and tricks on how to be effective and productive while using our time effectively working from home.
Exactly. We know what it's like to come from corporate world and just working at the office every day, and it's a big change on getting and starting working at home because you got to really encourage yourself. You really need to learn how to block time, have a creative environment, how to work with kids, and how to work together without killing each other. And we definitely talk to you about that and give you some tips with that, and just how to have an environment at home to be successful and get as much work done as possible. How to get the proper amount of sleep, how to get the proper foods in you so you're fueled and you have the energy and excitement to really crush it, when to work together and when to come apart so we're not always in each other's space, and how to encourage each other when you're working together. Whether you're married or not, you're going to find the tips, the tricks, the hacks, and all the productivity lessons that we've learned for doing this for over 9 years will really help you. We want to see you win. We want to see you crush it in your online business, and also so you can have a freedom lifestyle. So hey, we look forward to seeing you in this course. If you have any questions, comments, you can leave them in there. And of course, there's the 30-day money-back guarantee, and we will see you on the other side.